ISEP's Program Finder is a great way to get started looking for programs that will fit your interests and academic needs. First things first, you'll enter in your home university to see what programs are available to you. From here, you can select the term that you'd like to go abroad and also the year. You can filter by region of the world, or if you have a specific country in mind, enter that into where to. To find programs that will meet your academic needs, enter your primary field of study in the field of study search. You can start entering the first few letters of your field of study and the box will automatically populate with options. Next, select a language that you want to take the majority of your classes in. Selecting More Filters will allow you to add more criteria to your search. You can select your academic level, undergraduate, graduate, or PhD, or programs that are ideal for sophomores. You can search for programs that offer internships, volunteering, or service learning opportunities, and excursions. If you're looking at programs in your non-native language, you can search by language requirements. If English isn't your first language and you're looking for a program in English, you can enter in your TOEFL or IELTS scores to see which programs you qualify for. If you don't have a language test, you can select Accept Alternate Language Evaluation to find programs that will allow you to submit a language evaluation from a professor. If you have it below a US GPA of 2.75, the general requirement for ISEP programs, you can enter your GPA here to see which programs will accept a lower GPA. You can search by size of the host institution and also by housing type. If you have any special needs or considerations, you can select these from the drop-down menu to find programs that will offer support. You can select by program type to find ISEP Exchange, Direct, or Intern Abroad programs. If you're looking at ISEP Direct programs, you can enter in a program fee maximum to search for affordable programs. And to find ISEP Exchange programs with good chances of placement, you can also filter by chances of placement. Now hit Apply Filters to see your results. You'll see the results here for the recommended programs on the left. You can visit each of the program pages to learn more about academics, requirements, and program details. You can switch to Detail or List View in order to make it easier to compare programs. If you'd like to narrow it down further, you can add or change criteria and just hit Apply Filters again to update your search results. To start over again from scratch, click Clear All Filters. And there you have it. Happy searching!